texture. Are you guys ready? Get set.
Hey, wait, are you recording?
I am recording.
Let's see if the temperature.
It's good. Just
really
start
hot.
eating. Okay. The greatest wing eating contest in the history of all mankind. On your mark, get ready, go!
No meat on the bone.
Oh no, they're pretty even right now. There's still meat on that bone. You better get it.
No meat.
You know, in the end, whoever has the most meat on the bone loses. Even if they finish first.
You're the judge.
It's gross. I can hear you guys. You sound like Man vs. Wild. Uh-oh. Oh. And that's cheating. Oh, we have a winner! Now it's time for inspection. Let's see. How clean are these bones? That's not
Now you're just gonna clean every single bone off.
Well, I think we all know who's won here. Congratulations to you, Daniel. You are the champion.
What did I tell you? Give me some ranch. I told you.
And that concludes the epic battle. There it is. Everyone sees.
That's one whole chicken.
The end.